citric acid. I'll push them up to the side, and I'm going to mix my caustic soda. So I'm going to pour my apple cider vinegar inside my caustic soda. This is apple cider vinegar, okay? Apple cider vinegar. And this is 35 grams. This is 35 grams of apple cider vinegar. I'll pour it in. Nine grams of sodium lactate. And I'm going to pour it inside as well. Sodium lactate. So before now, I had already mixed in my 70 grams of caustic soda with 133 ml of beer. You can use any beer of your choice. All you just have to do is to cook it for about 20 minutes. After cooking, put it in the fridge till when you are ready to use it. Now, please do not mix caustic soda with an uncooked beer. It could be very dangerous because beer contain alcohol, and you do not want to mix alcohol with caustic soda. So make sure you are cooking it for about 20 minutes before you use it. So while I wait for my caustic soda and oil to cool down, so I need a little bit of color. This is violet Nikai. So I want a little bit of it in my shampoo, just to separate the color from my conditioner. Okay, so I need a little bit. If you have 50 of this in the market, and 50 of you are producing the same shampoo, as soon as you use, you mix your conditioner, as soon as you mix your lye inside beer, it gives it another color, another brown color. But you can still change the color, right, to any other color, just to make your products different in the market, right? So it's just a little bit. You can use as many quantity as you want. Okay, it's a little bit. Do whatever works for you. I just want to do something different. Can do whatever works for you. It doesn't have to be violet. You can use any color. And I'll mix it with oil. And this is oil-based color, just so you know. This is oil-based color, not water-based. So I'm mixing it. I'm just going to leave it and let everything cool down, and then we'll start mixing. We are down to 44, so we are almost there. Okay, let's check our caustic soda. We are 39, we are good to go. Let's check our oil. So this is 35, which is good to go. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and mix everything all together. Right. Now I'm going to pour in my I'm going to pour in my citric acid. Then I'll go in with my vitamin B5. And then this is my silk amino acid. Alright, so I'm going to add my fragrance now. I'm using Rain. This is a very strong fragrance. I got it from Canola soap. So because it is very strong, you can use up to 15 grams of fragrance, but I'm using 3 cups of this because it is very strong. 3 cups is a lot though, because it's very, very strong. Okay. Alright, so what I'm doing now is I am going to pour part of my soap into this cup. I'll mix it and then I'll pour it back. It's just one color, so nothing serious, so fancy here. Like I said, you can use up to 15 grams of fragrance, 15 grams. Our shampoo is looking good. Okay, so let's pour our soap inside the mold. Pour our shampoo inside the mold. The reason why I'm using this mold, you can see the mold is another shape. The reason for this shape is to differentiate your soap for your customers, so that when they buy your soap and they are also buying your shampoo, they know that your shampoo and your conditioner is in another shape. You know, you should not be packing your shampoo in the same shape of your soap. Using something like this will remind your customers when they are bathing that, oh, shampoo is round, conditioner is round, you know. That way they know which one is which one. That's the reason why I am using this mold. You can unmold your shampoo after 24 to 48 hours. Please, if you are still watching, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also like and share. If you have any question, leave it in the comments, and you can check the description below for the full recipe. I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you all. Bye.